Hello, everyone, and welcome to our Tuesday meeting for the Kubernetes 124 release team. We are in week 13, moving fast forward to the next release. My name is Max. I will be the host for today. To notify you, the meeting is running under the Kubernetes Code of Conduct, which means and boils down to be nice, awesome, and great to each other and with each other. With that, jumping directly to the updates, enhancements. Jose.
So hello everyone, Jose from enhancements team. So at the moment we are green, and yeah, you can see the stats. So far 47 are tracked, and all the discussions are going on, in the Slack channel. So yeah, as James mentioned, so far we received 7 exceptions, and yeah, I think they're gathering approvals. That's the current status. Anything from your side, James? I mean, any new updates regarding them?
No, there's two that kind of under consideration at the moment. There's one that's we've been asked to reevaluate, which I think discussion is ongoing. I'm probably going to let that try to gather some more opinions from people during today, and then make a decision from there. Then the other one, which is Bridget's one, that one I'm just waiting on docs to give an opinion about whether there's any docs implication, but other than that, it looks pretty straightforward. It's a very small change, and it's so that's where we are with that.
Yep, great, thank you. Yeah, that's all from our side.
Thank you. Any questions for enhancements? All right. CI Signal, how it's going?
Hello everyone, our current status is yellow because one issue under release blocker has been resolved. And yeah, if I remember correct, according to the yesterday's RT meeting, we can cut the release with one release blocker. That's why we have set the status yellow. And moving to master blocking, we have 0 failing, 5 flakes, in which 3 of them are reported, and we are currently observing other flakes. And on master informing, we have 2 failing and 3 flakes. So yeah, that's all.
Okay. All right. Any questions for CI Signal? Okay. Looks good. As long as we do not have too much failing stuff in the master blocking, I think it's on a good way. Bug triage, it's your team. Or anyone else from bug triage. If you have someone in the call, I don't see actually someone. All right. Then from far, or what we know about it, the upcoming Go updates, which are somewhere in the middle of the process, causing a lot of issues and troubles so far. And I think with the next bigger meetings coming up tomorrow, we will get a fresh, good, healthy update on what's going on this side. Do we have anyone from Docs in the call?
Yeah, I'm here.
I
did kind of rush in at the last moment. So, but our status is yellow right now. Today is actually the day for all docs to be ready for review, and we have still 2 where there's no PRs and 9 where there are draft PRs. Though I could check that again and update it if it's changed. I don't think that's changed since yesterday. 11 are ready for review and 21 are completed. It's actually not bad for this is actually fairly normal for us at this point. I guess our one issue is that we have a bunch of things related to Docker shim that are still outstanding, which are not really tracked in this Docker shim removal. But we're going to be meeting to talk about that in about 3 hours. So we'll check our status then. That's about it. Any questions?
Just one heads up. Also, James will mention it later. There's one exception request, which is waiting for some input from Doc's side.
Okay, I'll check that. Do you have the number offhand or?
Yeah, I'll pick out the link and send it
Okay.
to you. It's in the chat.
Great. Okay, thanks.
Awesome. Thank you, James. Any questions to Docs?
That link, Chris, that's the thread.
Got it. Thanks, James.
Perfect. Awesome. Release notes. I see Carlos, you're active on it. If you're talking, you're muted.
And the iPad, sorry, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, for release notes, we did the alpha.4 PR for the release notes website, and that's done. And then we're reviewing the PR for the changelog for alpha.4. So the PR is open and has all the review comments. So it's a matter of updating, so we're green. And we already open and reach out for like the known issues. So, but they're we're aware of that they're of them, so we're still green on that one. So no issues.
Sounds good. Perfect. Any questions or comments for release notes? Alrighty. Comms. How does it going?
Hey, Parthvi here. I hope you're able to hear me. So I don't think we have any new updates since our call yesterday, but mainly we have been working on the feature blog draft. So yeah, we should have that soon. And yeah, I think that's it. Nothing new.
Cool. Excited to read it. Will be awesome. And then I think from release branch management, we have no one on the call. And then James, up to you.
Cool. I have no particular update from Joseph. From me, yeah, there are those couple of couple of exception requests that we discussed earlier. It's also test freeze today. In just under 24 hours. I think I neglected to send an email about this, but I probably should have done. I am going to contact Navarone and see what we need to do with that, but I don't think there's too much impact. I kind of got lost in the avalanche of everything else. We have, other than that, we have no particular update on the possible delay to 124. We're still waiting for Go 118.1 and seeing what the contents of that is, and I haven't heard anything, so that's where we are. All right, that's all I got.
All right, thank you. Perfect. No new topics added to the open discussions. Is there anything in the room you would like to discuss? All right, then we can close the call for today. Thank you very much. I wish you to have a very nice rest of the week, and we will see us hopefully and latest tomorrow. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Max,
Bye.
bye.